Hey, you guys been wondering where we've been? It's been a while. It's been 8 months since we posted our last video.
That's a long time.
It's just wrong. Probably wondering where we've been for 8 months. Let me tell you. We joined a cult.
Stop.
We moved up into this isolated compound up in the mountains.
Stop.
And that's where we've been. It's pretty much consumed our time for the last 8 months. Okay, we have 3 major things that we gotta update you on. The first one, we started a business with my parents about a year ago. And it was kind of this fun passion project. Working with motorcycles every day is kind of like the only dream beyond working with leather every day that I've had. So honestly, I didn't expect it to get much traction, but it got traction quick and fast, and it really consumed our time. So that's the first big update. Oh, and you can follow the business over at Buscadero Motorcycles. I'll put a link. The second big update is that we moved to St. George, Utah. It's about 5 hours south of Ogden, where we were at. It's an entirely different climate. We're in full-blown desert territory down here. We're talking red rock, scorpions, full gambit. And once we moved down here, we actually signed a lease on a new space. And this is it. This is the office part of it. So most of this is all for Buscadero. We got our office admin girl here. Get to work! Sheesh! This is my desk. This is gonna be like a little front lobby thing that we're gonna set up, put some cool artwork on the wall there, set up products, just kind of like a little reception area. This is Whit's shipping area. Do you wanna do a Vanna White tour display?
No, what you see is what you get.
So this is where all the Buscadero shirts, products, hats, all that stuff's gonna be shipping out of. And this is the break room where all the coloring's gonna happen. We got TVs, we got babies, we got a fridge with only water in it so far.
And a freezer.
And a freezer, don't forget the freezer. And this is where the leather room will be. Woo, doggy. 4x8 workbench, sewing machines, Skyver.
Don't fall.
Where would I fall?
You just tripped.
I did? Alright, this is where a lot of the motorcycle magic's gonna be happening. We've got, this is what my dad is calling his lab. There will be a motorcycle stand in the middle. Most of the bike work and videos will be happening in here. And this is the garage. We better open it, you know, for the full experience. Boop. Oh yeah. This is the room that I'm most excited about in this whole building. I've just always wanted a big garage door with natural light coming in. So just a little background on Buscadero. We built 50 custom vintage style 110s, and they all sold quicker than we thought, so we started putting them into production with the factory, with the GPX factory. And it's been a long wait to get to that point. We're supposed to be getting them in August, so we're just kind of, you know, getting everything in place, getting ready for, you know, the big showdown. Things to really start going down. But of course, we're gonna be doing like custom builds, one-off stuff, working on our race bikes, just doing all kinds of stuff out here. We're also planning on doing a lot of YouTube videos for Buscadero, so that'll be fun. Okay, and the third big life update, it's a biggie, but we're not gonna tell you. You gotta wait till the next video. We're gonna put another one out very soon. It deserves its own video. It's something I didn't think either of us would ever do in a million years, and we did it. So comment down below, tell us what you think it is, but I don't think you're gonna guess. As always, the most important thing to us is just providing good value for you. So let us know what kind of videos you wanna see in the future. Once we get our new leather shop set up, we're gonna be cranking out videos. We're so excited to get back into it. Like regular projects coming out on a weekly basis. So let us know what you wanna see. If there's anything you specifically need help on or wanna watch, let us know. But thanks for being patient and sticking with us through the last 8 months since we posted. I think a lot of you probably felt abandoned and confused why we weren't doing anything. Believe me, it was tough on us. This whole like new business and moving and everything has been insanely consuming and life-altering.
We finally feel a little more settled and the shop's getting in order. We still have a lot of work to do, but we're excited.
Yeah, we're really excited for these changes. So thank you for sticking with us. Thanks for being patient. We love you guys. We love the support. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.